Hi, welcome to the Remote Experimentation Laboratory of Universidad Estatal a Distancia. Today you will have the opportunity of working and developing the experience of an acid-base titration. Titration is an analytical technique performed by measuring the amount of a reagent of known concentration that is called the standard substance, and then it is consumed by an unknown sample called the analyte. Titration methods are used in many routine analyses because they are fast, accurate, convenient, and easily automated. Titration is carried out by the slow addition of the titrant from a burette to a known volume of the analyte solution until the reaction reaches a chemical neutralization between the analyte and the standard substance. This is called the equivalence point, and it is a theoretical value that cannot be determined experimentally. The estimation of this point is obtained through an approach called the endpoint, which is often indicated by a color change of the solution, using an indicator substance that is capable of changing its color within specific pH ranges. For this acid-base titration, we are going to use a phenolphthalein indicator. It is colorless in acidic solutions, but it turns pink in basic ones, in a pH value of about 8.4. For this experiment, we are going to use an equipment that consists of a burette adapted to a counting system that will record the volume in milliliters. In addition to this, a coupled pH sensor will be adapted to the system to register every change that occurs when adding a certain amount of titrant, in this case, a standard solution of sodium hydroxide. All this system will be adding the standard solution to the analyte that is contained in a beaker, which will be in a stirring station to homogenize the reaction environment. You will be able to work with two types of sodium hydroxide standards and to choose between vinegar and citric acid as analytes. At the end of the experiment, you will find an example of calculations and more guidelines to help you better understand this experience. Remember to explore the content developed by the University's Remote Experimentation Laboratory, as well as other materials offered by Labsland.